Hey guys, this is Bamdeep. Today I will explain how to use the function in the decision statement. Okay, so till now you have been learn various things about the function and how to use a function as an argument, how to perform the various operation like arithmetical and other operation on the function when you use it as a argument, when you use it as a calling. Okay, so now I will tell you how to use the function in the decision statement. Okay, so I have a program. You can see that in this program I will check out that the addition of the variable is even or the odd. Okay, by using function. Okay, so you can see that I have a if statement in that function. In that statement I have a function add. Okay, which is return type. That's mean it will return here I'm using int before it, so that's mean it will return any kind of value from itself. And I have also another variable integer type x. Okay, so whenever the controller, I mean the program will start execution and will the controller will come under the block, it will check out that I have a function add and I have a decision statement if. So whenever controller come on this point, it will first execute add function. Okay, so which is which definition, that's mean the definition of the add function is written down here. Okay, so that's mean the controller will come from here to here and will execute this block. Okay, and here it will check out that I have a three integer variable a b c, and after that it will print a statement which is enter any two values for addition. Okay, and that values will be stored on the address of a and b, and after that the addition of a and b will be calculated and the result will be stored on c, and after that c will return from here to here. Okay, now the modulus, that's mean the remainder of the c will calculate if, and this operator will check out that the value of c is equal to 0. If the condition is true, then it will print this statement which is saying that addition of number is even. Otherwise the controller will come on this point and will print this statement. Okay, the addition of number is odd. Okay, so now I'm going to run this program. Here you can see that enter any two values for addition. Okay, suppose I entered 5 and 4. Okay, so you can see that the addition of number is odd. Okay, 5 plus 4 is 9. That's a mean it is 9 is the odd number, so it printed out this statement. Okay, so that's mean our program is correct, and this is the concept of using function in the decision statement if. And you can also use function in the switch case. Okay, so now I will tell you how. Yeah, you can see that I in that program you actually I'm implementing predefined function like power, I mean some mathematical function which is power, square root, sqrt. So uh, I have to use math.h header files. Okay, so these three header files is important for executing this program. Okay, so in this program I have a switch case and I have a function fun. Okay, which will return time, that means it will return any kind of value from itself. And I have integer type variable a comma n is equal to 4. Okay, you can also initialize by the user by the keyboard. Okay, but I have to write two statement here which is printf and scanf. So I'm not doing that. Here I'm directly provided new value n, I mean 4 to the n. Okay, so you can see that whenever controller will come on this point, it will check out that I have a function. So first it will execute fun function. Okay, and which definition is written down here. Okay, and so that's the mean controller will come here and will execute this statement. Here is I have a character type variable a, and here I print a statement which is enter s for square root, p for the square, and q for cube of n. Okay, so this is the you can easily understand what is trying to say this statement. And the character that I will provide to the computer, it will store on the address of a. Okay, and after that it will return from here to here. Okay, Now now here will be a. Okay, so it will compare a to all the cases. Okay, so p, q, s, these kind. Okay, remember that you have to put the character in lowercase, because here I'm comparing with lowercase letter. Okay, so you have to put down lowercase pq as in order to execution. Okay, so here if this case will match, so this statement will be executed. Okay, so that's mean the square of n is that's mean the square here square of 4 will be calculated. Okay, so here is the power, this denote the power of the number, and this is the number. Okay, so and second is q. The q is usual for calculating the cube of the number, which is here the cube of n is power of 3. That's I mean it n to the power 3. Okay, and after that a square root, this function will calculate the square root, and result will store a, and the value of a will be print. Okay, so now I'm going to run this program. Okay, here you can see that enter as for square root, p for square, and q for cube. Okay, so I'm suppose I'm entering s. Okay, so you can see that the square root of n is 2, because n is equal to 4. You can see that n is equal to 4, so that's mean the square root of n will be 2. Okay, so that's mean our program is correct. And if I will print any other value and no case will match, then it will execute this statement. Okay, so this is the simple concept. If you have any kind of problem related to video, so you can put on my channel. Okay, so thanks for watching and keep learning, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now bye. Okay, thanks.